On number 5, it wants us to find the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence with a1 equal to -2 and r equal to 3. So our first term is -2, and then to generate all of the other terms we need to keep multiplying by 3. So if I multiply -2 by 3, I get -6. If I multiply that by 3, I get -18. If I multiply that by 3, I get -54. And then if I multiply by 3 again, I get -162. So I'm multiplying by 3 each time. Okay, number 6 says, given the geometric sequence with the first term equal to 2 and the common ratio 3, find the fifth term. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to multiply 2, which is our first term, by 3, which is our common ratio, and I need to do it 4 times. So it's very easy to mess this up and to multiply by it 5 times, but if you look back at the previous problem, we only needed to multiply the first term by 3 4 times to get to the fifth term. So it's always one less. So we do 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and that's equal to 162. Or if you want to just do 2 times 3 to the fourth, that would get you the same thing.